back to my channel, Frederica Nation. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a returning viewer, good to see you. If you are brand new to this channel, please become a part of the family. Hit the subscribe button and the ring bell so you'll never miss an upload. But today, I'm going to do a room tour, show y'all some DIYs that I took and done. And I will list it down below everything that I used and where I got it from and things like that. So I just wanted to give y'all updated room tour because I definitely had to get it together and here was just looking just terrible. But yeah, okay, stay tuned. So this is what I came up with so far. As y'all noticed that in my last video, and I will put that video up of my last room tour, I had all my lotions right here just sitting on the table. But I came up with a great idea so I can get some more room on this table. And I went to the Dollar Tree and bought these. Okay. And you know, everything in the Dollar Tree is $1. And I just decided to put up, you know, my lotions and sprays and things up in those little baskets. Okay. And so it worked out because they hold quite a bit. As you can see, they hold quite a bit of sprays and lotions. So I definitely had to do that. Then also, you all, this is a DIY. Look at that. I made it myself. And what I used was the foam boards from the Dollar Tree. These came from the Dollar Tree over by the flora department. This came from the flora department. I just took the flowers off. These also came from the Dollar Tree. And the LED lights. So, you know, I made my own vanity set. So all you do is just push it to turn it on and push it to turn it off. So yeah, I created my own little vanity set. Then I put some more flowers down here at the bottom, you all. Just decorated it because I needed to get it together, okay? But I will link down below where I got all the stuff from. And then y'all knew I had my jewelry box right here before, but I moved it somewhere else and I'll show you where. But I just wanted to put some more of my lotions and smell goods in those compartments right there. And of course, I'm going to do something different with these, so stay tuned. I'm working on it, on some more DIYs. This definitely was a DIY, this vanity set DIY. I'm loving it because I am definitely a Barbie on a budget. I can't afford all of it old stuff, y'all. Just saying. Okay, and some of this stuff is still the same. That's a DIY that I made. I printed it off my computer, and then I went and got these letters from the Dollar General store. Okay, and just threw it up and yeah, went from there. That is a DIY that I made a long time ago. I'll put down below what I used and link the video. Okay, and so just like these, I did these, you know, DIYs. But yeah, they're very simple. It's easy. Hot glue gun is all you're going to need. EOS 600 glue, adhesive glue, you know, just certain things you're going to need. But I'll link it down below. And if y'all want to see me in action, actually do some DIYs, let me know. Okay, and I will go live and show you all how I do what I do. So yeah, of course, you know, that's my closet. I'm working on it, ladies. Please don't judge me. But this is my jewelry box. I moved it over here. Okay. And it was over there. It was right there, but I moved it here. And my room is going to be pink, gold, and silver. So that's why you're seeing a lot of pink, because I'm changing the theme to pink, gold, and silver. So I'm trying to get everything together one by one, you know, just getting it all together. And of course, you know, you see my necklaces, and I've used thumbtacks to hold my necklaces up on the wall so I can see what necklace I want to wear. But yeah, this is pretty much it, my DIYs, some of the DIYs that I took and done. And it's a lot of DIYs in this room that I did on my own. If you like the video, please hit down below the like button. Can I get this to get like 20 likes or 100 likes? I mean, can we get this video to a whole lot of likes? And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload. And put down in the comment section below any DIY ideas you want me to do, and I will do it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Frederica Nation. Love you.